Hello everybody and welcome to Dr. Niki's tutorials. In this video we are going to learn how to select objects in Photoshop with 4 ways. So let's get started. Here is Photoshop. And the first way is using the Quack selection tool. As you can see here, click on it. Increase the brush size as you want. Make it like this, for example, 99. Go over the thing that you want to select and go over it. You can also deselect things like this, and you can deselect all of the things by right click and then click deselect. Here is the second way with us is the object selection tool, where you can the Photoshop scan for you the selected area for the object that you want to select, and now it's gonna select the car. This is using the AI. Okay, just a second. As you can see, it's selected, and let's deselect this. Another way is the magic wand tool, which had the same things. As you can see, it just chooses like certain areas. As you can see, it's like the object selection tool, but like the unupdated one, the first one. And the last one is the rectangle and the shape selection tool, marquee tool. As you can see, it selects like this. Now this is the selection like this, and this selection elliptical this, and yeah, this is it. It is, as you can see. And yeah, that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, write down below for us in the comments. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and have a good day.